Pass to Macmac Garcia. To number 28, Chan. Wala. Kukuha ni number 18. Foul. Number 18, Tamayo. Number 18, Tamayo. Pass to number 91. Wala. Pass to number 0, wala. Wala na pasahan sa number 0. Pass to number 18, Tamayo. To number 91, to Tamayo. Nakuha ni Sir. Macmac. Macmac Garcia. Garcia to number 0. 2 points, Iberon. Iberon yun. Tamayo. Tamayo. Pass to number 20. Wala. Nakuha ni number 0. Pass break to Macmac Garcia. Garcia, 2 points. Tamayo. 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 Pass to number 25. 25. 25. Umatake. Reverse. 10 to shoot. Number 25. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass break to Macmac Garcia. Wala. Easy 2 points. To number 15. Time out!
Okay, possession now. Dribbling by number 5. Number 5. Number 5, looking for pass. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Napitawan ng bola. Bullet small. Sir Christian. Number 28. Ipapakita kanya ang walang hangover. Number 0 for 2. Basket for number 0. Number 5, still dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5, and we have a steal from number 15. Pass break to number 28, and another pass. Number 18. Possession of our brothers. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Number 18, making for a pass. And for 3 points! Time remaining 7 minutes, 23 seconds, 34, 23. Sir Christian, babawi ka ng 3 points. Walang hangover yan. Ngunit sa balang ang natira. Number 5 now. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Number 5, still penetrating the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Number 5, drive, speed move, 2 points, miss. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, pass break to number 24. Basket number 24. Kaya ba, hindi ka na bumabarila? Sabi ni Ian Juan. 36-23. Lamang po rin po ang Bullets. Number 20, 50 seconds to shoot. Pass number 5. Number 5, drive. 10 seconds to shoot. Taking by number 25. Basket for number 25. Sir Christian, number 28. Sir Chan to Macmac Garcia. Mac Garcia. Mac Garcia, drive to Sir Chan. Sir Chan, bang! Naka-platter kagabi yan eh. 6 minutes, 7 seconds, 38-25. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 5, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, drive, shot. Using the glass but miss. Rebound by number 18. Number 28, Sir Chan. Pass number 18 to Mac Garcia. Mac Garcia for 2. Miss. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, pass to number 8. Number 8. Drive. Miss. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 to Mac Garcia. Number 24, Mac to number 15. 15, drive, and we have a cut. First throw, basket by number 15. Second throw, miss, rebound. And Number 5. To number 20, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 20 to number 8. Number 8 taking the ball. And we have a contact foul. Basket, second row. Number 0 for 3. 3 points. Time remaining 4 minutes 42 seconds. Number 5. Drive, pass number 18, 18 for 3. Basket for number 18. 3 points. Drive by number 15, miss, rebound by number 8. Number 5. Number 5. Miss by number 5. Rebound by number 25. And we have team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket number 5. Ayaw ko muna. 15 seconds to shoot. Circus pass number 0. Back to number circus for 3. Supply ang kanyang tira. Put it na rebound. Team number 15. 15 trying to put for 3. Basketball number 15. 3. 3 points. Number 8. Number 8. And we have a steal. Circus dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15, drive, nice pass to number 0, connection. Number 15, connection to number 0. Time remaining 3 minutes, 10 seconds, 47-31. Still in favor of Bullets. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sa blanca ng number 5. Pass break nyo. Si number 15 to number 19 at nakagawa ni number 5. Number 5. Pass break. Nakagawa ni number 0. Parang hindi mga senior magsipagkalawan. Para mga midget. Ang bibilis. Ito na. Sa number 8 naman. Kuha na naman. At still number 5. Pass to number 18. 18 drive. 91 pala. Sorry. Rebound. Tip in by number 25. Service side. Sa blanca ng tira. Rebound ng Bullets again. Number 25. Number 25. Drive. Supply. At ang... Sir Christian. Baka ibang mabunot mo dyan. Nakagawa number 0. Pass to number 19. Number 19 to number 15. Number 15 attempting for 3. Supply. Rebound number 18. Number 18 to number 15. Basket. Tama. Okay. Bola ngayon ng Paras. Number 5. Number 5. Pass number 18, 18, faking the ball, drive to number 8 for 2, basket number 8. Time remaining 1 minute 30 seconds. Number 15, napakagandang ikot. Ngunit sa ang tira number 15. Sayang yun, napakaganda sana yung ID yun. Number 5. Number 5, drive. Nakuha ang bola, napunta si number 5. Pass break ngayon at nakagaw ni dati number 20. For 3, supply. Good at number 5. Basket for number 5. 1 minute 4 seconds. This is the second quarter. Number 19 for 2. Supply. Rebound number 18. To number 8. To number 5. Number 5, spin move. Ah, tambola. Sino Seras? Seras. Number 18, 15 seconds to shoot for 3 points. Number 18. 41 seconds. Up agad ng speed move, taking the ball. Basket for number 15. Effective on move from number 15. 27 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 18 for 3 again. Supply. Nariba number 0. Number 0. Fast break to number 15. Number 15. Na-defense number 18. Gunit kanya pa rin ang bola. Number 15. Number 18. Pasa number 10. Kay Sir Chan. Kay Sir Chan. Layup. Supply. Pasa na lang po tayo. 8 seconds remaining. 5 seconds.